Is your tech startup's financial future as agile and innovative as your product? Or are you still wrestling with a traditional bank that feels like it's stuck in dial-up while you're building the future? This isn't just a rhetorical question, it's a critical one. Because in the hyperfast world of tech startups, where every dollar counts and every minute is precious, your banking solution isn't just a necessary evil, it's a strategic partner. Think about it. You're building groundbreaking technology, disrupting industries, and probably operating on a lean budget with ambitious growth targets. You need a bank that understands this unique ecosystem, a bank that can keep pace with your rapid development, and a bank that offers the kind of flexibility and foresight that traditional institutions often lack. You need a bank that speaks your language, the language of APIs, integrations, and scalable solutions. For years, the banking landscape for businesses, especially startups, has been a bit of a desert. Large, established banks offer a wide range of services, but often come with bureaucratic hurdles, slow processing times, and a one-size-fits-all approach that doesn't quite fit the dynamic needs of a startup. On the other end, smaller, local banks might offer a more personal touch, but often lack the sophisticated tools and integrations essential for a tech-driven company. This gap has created a significant pain point for entrepreneurs. How do you find a banking partner that genuinely supports your growth, rather than hindering it? This is where digital-first banking solutions like Relay Bank enter the conversation. They've emerged as a compelling alternative, specifically designed to address the shortcomings of traditional banking for modern businesses. But the burning question remains, is Relay Bank truly for tech startups? Can it genuinely be the financial backbone that propels your innovative venture forward? Today, we're diving deep into this question, dissecting Relay Bank's offerings, its strengths, its limitations, and ultimately, helping you determine if it's the right financial partner for your tech startup. We'll explore everything from its core banking features, think checking accounts, debit cards, and bill pay, to its more advanced functionalities like expense management, team collaboration, and its much-touted integrations. We'll look at the user experience, the fee structure, and critically, how it stacks up against the specific demands of a tech startup, from managing venture capital funds to facilitating international transactions. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Relay Bank is a game changer for your startup or just another banking option. So, let's get started. Let's begin by understanding what Relay Bank actually is. At its core, Relay is a digital-first banking platform designed for small businesses. It's not a traditional bank with physical branches, but rather an online platform that provides banking services through a partnership with an FDIC-insured bank. This is a crucial distinction, as it means your funds are secure, just like they would be at a traditional bank, but the operational model is entirely digital. For tech startups, this digital-first approach is often a significant selling point. It means 24/7 access to your accounts, banking on the go, and a user interface that's typically far more intuitive and modern than what you'd find with legacy banking systems. No more trips to the branch during business hours, no more waiting on hold for an hour to speak to a representative, and often, faster transaction processing. Now, let's talk about the core banking features that Relay offers. They provide business checking accounts with no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and unlimited transactions. This alone is a huge win for startups, especially those operating on tight budgets where every recurring fee can feel like a drain. They also offer multiple debit cards, which is incredibly useful for managing team expenses and providing individual team members with their own spending power, all while maintaining granular control. One of Relay's standout features, particularly relevant for tech startups, is its emphasis on financial clarity and control. They allow you to open up to 20 individual checking accounts within your primary account. Imagine this for a moment. You can create separate accounts for operating expenses, payroll, marketing, R&D, and even specific project budgets. This level of compartmentalization is a dream for startups needing to track burn rate, allocate funds precisely, and present clear financial reports to investors. Traditional banks often make this kind of detailed financial management cumbersome, requiring complex spreadsheets or multiple separate accounts, each with their own fees. Relay simplifies it dramatically. Beyond the multiple accounts, Relay offers robust expense management tools. You can categorize transactions, attach receipts, and set spending limits for individual debit cards. For a tech startup with a growing team and diverse expenses, this can be a lifesaver come tax time or when trying to understand where every dollar is going. The ability to track and analyze expenses in real time empowers better financial decision-making and helps to identify areas for cost optimization. Team collaboration is another area where Relay shines, and this is particularly important for startups where financial responsibilities are often shared among a small, agile team. Relay allows you to invite team members with different levels of access, from view-only to full administrative control. This means your co-founder can review transactions, your bookkeeper can manage bill payments, and your head of sales can track their marketing budget, all without needing to share sensitive login credentials. This secure and streamlined collaboration can significantly improve efficiency and reduce the risk of errors, freeing up valuable time for your team to focus on product development and growth. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.